Unlock a universe of products for your Shopify store by seamlessly importing directly from Alibaba, your gateway to a global marketplace and endless business growth opportunities. After setting up your Shopify store, the first crucial step is to ensure you have a reliable integration method. While Shopify doesn't have a built-in Alibaba importer, we'll use a popular app that bridges this gap. Head over to the Shopify App Store and search for an Alibaba importer app. You'll find several options, so look for one with high ratings and positive reviews, indicating a strong performance and good support. Once you've selected your app, click Add App and follow the on-screen prompts to install it into your Shopify store. This usually involves a quick authorization process. Now, let's connect the two platforms. Open the Alibaba Importer app within your Shopify admin. The app will guide you through connecting your Alibaba account. This might involve logging into your existing Alibaba supplier profiles or setting up new ones. With your accounts linked, you can now navigate Alibaba.com as you normally would when you find a product you want to sell. The Importer app will add a special button or a prompt on the Alibaba product page. Clicking that button will instantly pull the product details into your Alibaba Importer app within Shopify. Here's where you can customize everything. Edit the product title, refine the description for your target audience, set your selling price, and adjust variations like size and color. Once you're happy with your product's details, simply hit the Import to Shopify button. The app will do the heavy lifting, creating the product listing directly in your Shopify store. And voila! Your new product is now live and ready for customers on your Shopify store. This streamlined process allows you to constantly refresh your inventory and discover exciting new items from the vast Alibaba marketplace, fueling your business growth.